Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Instacart account. Follow these steps to enable it. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Instacart website or open the app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security or privacy settings section. This is where you will find options related to account security. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Locate the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it and follow the prompts to enable the feature. You may need to enter your phone number or email address to receive verification codes. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After enabling two-factor authentication, make sure to confirm your settings. You might receive a verification code via SMS or email to finalize the setup. Save any changes before exiting the settings menu. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Instacart account with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your verification method secure to maintain your account's safety.